Hello, my lovely friend. Are you ready to do this new problem together? So let's get a start. Here says find a semicircle area. To find the area of any semicircle or circle, we need to know the radius. To find the radius here, I don't have the value of radius. I try to use the rule of two chord of circle when they have intersect with each other. So I assume this figure as a whole circle. To find the radius, I say from the center to the circumference, I have the radius. It would be radius from here to here, I have radius. The rule says when two chords intersect each other, so if I label here, I say AB has an intersect, is a chord of this circle, has an intersect with CD. The larger chord in the circle is the diameter of that circle. So these two chords CD and AB has an intersect. I can use this rule that says AP times BP equals CP times PD. For PD, if I get this amount X, so PD would be R plus X. R plus X. How about PC? As I said, from center to any circumference, I have R. So CP would be R minus X. For the left side, AP equals 4 times PB equals 6. And for the right side, I try to substitute this expression. CP equals R minus X and PD equals R plus X. Okay. I multiply or I distribute this parentheses inside the second one, and I will get for the right side, let me write first of all, left side, which gives me 24. Right side would be r squared minus x squared. Okay, here I have one equation with two variables. So to find r, I really need to have only r equation with one variable. So I look here for this figure, I have OPB as a right angle triangle. So I can write the second equation with hypotenuse theorem. So I get it. Step 1, I will go for a step 2. I say PB is my hypotenuse. So Pythagoras theorem says hypotenuse to the power of 2, which is 36, equals this side to the power of 2, which is x squared, plus this side to the power of 2, which is r squared. I try to get x squared as my object, so I say x squared equals 36 minus r squared. My step 2. Now I substitute this amount inside step 1. That means I put 36 minus r squared instead of x squared for step 1. So I say from step 1 and 2, step 1 and 2, I can say 24 equals r squared minus, instead of x squared, I put 36 minus r. I apply this negative inside the parentheses, so it would be negative 36 and it would be positive, and I get rid of this negative sign. So I will have r squared plus r squared gives me 2r squared. I bring this negative 36 to the other side. 24 plus 36 gives me 60. To get rid of this 2 as a coefficient, I divided both sides by 2, so I get r equals the square root of 30. I find r equals the square root of 30. To find the area of semicircle, which is the half of the area of whole circle, so I write it here, times pi r squared. So we know r squared equals 30. So I write area of the semicircle equals 30 divided by 2 times 3.40. So first of all, I say it gives me 15, and I get rid of this 2, so it would be 15 times 3.14, which is 47, almost 47.1, that I get it almost 47. Okay, we are done here. I hope you enjoyed. If you like it, please subscribe, share with your friend, and stay tuned. See you in next problem. Bye bye.